This win setup and indicator is the exact reason why I stopped taking random trades and became an extremely profitable trader. So without wasting any time like fake gurus, let's dive into the strategy. First things first, you will need an indicator which access and important settings have been updated in the free Discord community in the indicator section, where I share my exact trade plan in advance and also give some sauce. You can find the access to the community in the pinned comment once I'm done explaining the important rules of the strategy. So let's get to the technical part of it. So it has 3 simple rules to follow, right? The simpler the rules of a strategy, the more consistently profitable and repeatable the setup becomes. So now the first step is mark out clear draws on liquidity on the 1 hour to the 4 hour. Now what I mean by clear draws on liquidity, these are clear highs or lows that you can see with your naked eyes. Like this is a clear high, this is a clear low, this is a clear high, this is a clear low, right? This is a clear low. So this is clear draws on liquidity, basically clear highs and clear lows. The second step is wait for a liquidity sweep and reclaim on the draw on liquidity that you had marked out. So just example, I had marked this up level, right? Now I'm waiting for the price to come above it or below it, and a fake out, basically price failing to close above and then reclaiming the level. Now this is the second step. All right, this is a liquidity sweep and reclaim. So the third step, zoom into the 5 or 15 minute for the entry trigger. So personally, I like to use 15 minute because 15 minute is 3 times more powerful than the 5 minute, and the powerful the entry trigger, the higher the probability for the trade to play out in favor. Now let me show you some real examples. Do not skip this part. It is very important to know how you can identify setups on the naked chart. So as you do see that on the 1 hour time frame, I do see this as a clear high. So I'm simply gonna mark it up, then open the 15-minute time frame. All right. So okay, open the 15-minute time frame, and there you exactly see that the price simply went up to and then reclaim the level, and I'm on the 15-minute. Now I want to open the indicator and then wait for a red divergence. So this dot is called a divergence. Now I want to enter on this divergence. All right, so right on that divergence I'll be entering into a short position, keeping my stop loss obviously above the high and then aiming for the lows. And then let's see how this trade actually played out. Okay, it was it's a 1 to 9, which means if you risk 1% you'd be up 9%. So let me show you one more example. All right, I do see a clear example somewhere around here. So as you do see that this is a clear low. All right, so we simply mark this out, right, this clear low, and then wait for the price to come onto that level. So the first entry you got was right here, but I'm not gonna show you that. I'm gonna show you the second entry, right? So this is the second entry, right, the second sweep and reclaim of that level, and then we got the buy dot right on that candle. All right, so we're gonna enter there, keeping the stop loss obviously below the low, and then let's see how this one played out. I mean, increase the time frame on the 1 hour. Okay, so there we go. It was a 1 to 10. So that is the speciality of the strategy, that it is a reversal entry model based on capturing the whole trend, which helps you to execute your trades in such a way that you enter at the top of beginning of a trend or the bottom of beginning of any trend. So this is the speciality of this reversal entry model and the strategy that helped me become profitable. And also, if you're not profitable yet, it's probably not just your strategy, it's the execution and mindset. And I've spent last 3.5 years figuring that out the hard way. So I put together a private Discord community where I share live setups and mentor a few times every single week just to help you avoid the same mistakes. And before ending, no one on YouTube gives so much sauce for absolutely free. So make sure to subscribe and stay logged in, because this is just the beginning. Peace out, take care, see you in the next one, see you in the community.